This Chevrolet Express cargo van boasts a gas/ethanol V8 6.0 liters/364 engine powering this automatic transmission. Visors, driver and front passenger vinyl in lieu of standard cloth. Transmission, 6-speed automatic, heavy-duty, electronically controlled with overdrive and tow/haul mode. Includes cruise grade braking, powertrain grade braking, and tap-up/tap-down driver shift control. Summit white. This Chevrolet Express cargo van features the following options: chrome appearance package, includes V37, front and rear chrome bumpers and V22, chrome grille, seats, front bucket with custom cloth trim head restraints and inboard armrests, includes V8 console with swing-out storage bin, seating arrangement, driver and front passenger high back buckets with head restraints and vinyl or cloth trim, STD, remote keyless entry with transmitters and remote panic button. Outside temperature display located in the driver information center, mirrors, outside heated power adjustable, black, manual folding, medium pewter, custom cloth seat trim, glass, rear doors, includes, A12, fixed rear doors window glass, engine, VORTEC 6.0 liters V8 SFI FLEXFUEL, 341 horsepower, 254.3 kilowatts, at 5,400 revolutions per minute, 373 pounds-to-foot of torque, 503.6 Nm, at 4,200 revolutions per minute, includes external engine oil cooler, door, swing-out passenger side, 60/40 split, STD. Visit us today. A short visit to Laird Wheaton located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia. V93L3 can get you a tried and true express cargo van today.